Good morning, students. I hope all of you have done worksheet 5 and it is clear to all of you. Now today we are starting worksheet 6. In worksheet 6 our first question is determine which rational number is greater in each case. Now we are given two rational numbers and we have to find that which number is greater. That means we have to compare these two rational numbers. Always remember that whenever we have to compare two rational numbers, it makes sure that denominator should be positive. That I mean to say, हमेशा ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि जब भी हमें दो रैशनल नंबर को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं और आप उनकी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके उनको कंपेयर कर रहे हो, तो हमेशा इस बात का ध्यान रखो कि उसका डिनोमिनेटर है वो पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. अगर उसका डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव है देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल मेक दैट पॉजिटिव. तो सबसे पहले आप उसे पॉजिटिव बनाओगे. लुक एट हेयर. Now first this is first rational number and this is second rational number. Now first of all we will check that their denominator is positive or negative. Now you can see here this is positive and this is also positive. So we have no need to solve it. We will do comparison. Now 5 by 8 minus 3 by 7. In first step we will do cross multiply. Now 5 multiply 7 comma minus 3 multiply 8. Now 5 7 ja 35 comma 3 8 ja 24 and minus plus minus. Always remember that whenever we multiply two numbers then it is necessary that we have to multiply their sign also. So we will write here minus plus minus. Now you can see 35 is bigger or minus 24. It is obviously 35 is bigger. So we will write here 35 is greater than minus 24. That means this number 5 by 8 is greater than minus 3 by 7. This is our first part. In the same way second part is 2 by 3 and 8 by 9. This you will try yourself. Now its third part. This is minus 4 by 3 minus 6 by 7. It again all of you will try yourself. Now we are doing fourth part. That is minus 8 by 3 and 19 by minus 6. As earlier I have told you that whenever we compare two rational numbers we make sure that their denominator should be positive. दैट मीन्स जब भी हम दो रैशनल नंबर्स को कंपेयर करेंगे हमें सबसे पहले ये ध्यान रखना है कि उनके डिनोमिनेटर पॉजिटिव होने चाहिए. तो आप देख रहे हो इसका डिनोमिनेटर तो पॉजिटिव है फर्स्ट रैशनल नंबर का, बट इन सेकंड रैशनल नंबर डिनोमिनेटर इज़ नेगेटिव. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल मेक इट पॉजिटिव. दिस इज़ minus 8 by 3 and you can write it minus 19 by 6 because it does not matter that minus is with denominator or minus is with numerator. If it is with denominator you can write it with numerator because in standard form we have already done it. So now both of denominator are positive, so we will do compare. How? By doing cross multiply. So minus 19 by 6. Now we will do cross multiply. Now this is minus 8 multiply 6 comma minus 19 multiply 3. Now what will come? Minus 8 6 ja 48 and 19 3 ja 57. Minus plus minus. Now you can you know that on number line this is 0, this is minus 1 and there will be somewhere it will be minus 48 and more further it will be minus 57. But you know that on the right side number always greater than left side number. Now minus 48 is on right side, so it is greater, and minus 57 is smaller. So you will write it minus 48 is greater than minus 57, or you will write minus 8 by 3 is greater than 19 by minus 6. We always हैव टू राइट द आंसर इन क्वेश्चन फॉर्म। हमें हमेशा आंसर जो देना होता है वो क्वेश्चन की फॉर्म में देना होता है। हमसे ये पूछा गया था कि इन दो रैशनल नंबर्स को कंपेयर करो। सो जो हमारा आंसर आएगा वो इन्हीं दो रैशनल नंबर की फॉर्म में हमें देना होता है। तो -48 बिगर है, तो इसका मतलब इन दिस साइड -8/3 इज बिगर। नाउ this was fourth part. Now we are doing fifth part. This is -3 by -13 and -5 by -21. Again in this question you can see that here denominators are negative. So first of all we will make it positive. How we will make it positive? Now you are looking here that here is minus sign with both numerator and denominator, so you can cancel it. Again here minus sign is with both with the numerator and denominator, so you can cancel it. So what is left now? It is left 3/13 and 5/21. Now you can see that denominator is positive. Now we will do cross multiply. 3/13, 5/21. We will do cross multiply here. Now 3 multiply 21 and 5 multiply 13. Always remember that whenever you will multiply 3 you will write in this side, and whenever you will multiply 5 you will write in that side. So now after multiplying it will be 63, and after multiplying it will be 65. Now you can see here 65 is bigger, so that means this side rational number, this number is bigger. So you will write -3 by -13, this sign -5 by -21. That means this rational number is bigger than this. Now sixth part, this is -7 by 11 and 5 by -8. Now dear student, all of you will try this question yourself. I hope this concept is clear to all of you. Thank you.